Good morning, everyone. This is Phil V at Trading Capital Markets, and today we are the 2nd of July, 2025, and we're currently 9:27 a.m. All right, let's get into it. Let's move this over there and open a little chart over here. And bring this down here. Perfect. Okay, so 1 hour. This is a target. Okay. Um, add this inversion. 4 hours. Let's see what we got on the 4 hours at that point. Not much on the 4 hours at that point. We have this one over here as support. And above where price is now, we have this tiny 4 hour fair value gap over here. And all of price has been covered to the downside. So let's see. It's going to be a tricky one today. Okay. Let's see. All right, my market is opening up a little bit bullish, but probably come take these highs and start turning around. Remember what we said. This is where we want to go above to start being bullish again. And see how this fair value gap just rejected the price with this inversion combined with it. Went straight into that inversion. Sorry. I remain patient. Could also go look at it on the daily. Because on the daily, I think there's two back-to-back fair value gaps. Oh, this one right here. Yeah, that's what it was. Okay. Did the wick pass the 50% mark? Yeah, it did. So we'll use this, like this, fair value gap. And then the last one is right here on the daily. All the way up there. which is interesting. But I think it could come back down here. That's the thing. For another push higher. I think that would be much needed if we want to keep on going higher. Unless we come and destroy all of these, come back into this volume imbalance and this inversion over here. This, you could take these off. What are all those lines? Oh. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. I'll keep it. That's the weekly opens. Let's just poop. Ciao. Keep this nice and clean. Let's go back. So yeah, you see we took this high. Let's see what we're gonna do. Now let's see where the 70% retracement is of this leg. All the way to here. Let's not extend the lines right. That we have a clear view of the chart on the left. That's 50% of the range, well, of that leg. So yeah, you see how we went above over here. We have this little, is it a fair value gap? Yeah, it's tiny, but it's still there. This one right here. We might even be able to use it as an entry short. 74 to 90, it's still 15 points, so. You see? Took these highs. Now we're gonna come for these lows. I still want to wait all the way till here. You see these relative equal highs? I want to wait till here. Technically, now would be to enter short. Right here on this inversion. Great short. Dow's falling. Dow's falling. But the Dow was overextended, so we can't really keep that into account. Not really a nice close on the S&P, but I'm still going to be waiting for 70% right above these relative equal highs. Guys, I think that's a possibility. Now, that being said, this inversion is also first percentage fair value gap. Let's take this off. Let's take this off, and this can be becoming an inversion. You see? That's why we wait. That was falling. S&P and Nasdaq are going up. Right here. That's where I'm gonna start to look for some shorts. Right here. Gotta start looking ahead for what can be, right? That's the inversion that's laying at the 70% mark. Yet we still have these relative equal highs also above. And that would be at the 78% retracement. So we gotta keep on looking. Oh, Roger. Hey, I've got an insignia. Hey, what's up, Roger? What is that thing? Uh, uh, oh, top fans. Let's go. You're the number one. That's too funny. How you been? How you been? Long time no see. Trying to be profitable. Yeah, that's good. Yesterday I took 50. I think it was around 50 points on the mini and kill. So it was a pretty good day. 1,200, 1,370 Canadian. Oh, you're long from the open. That's good. Long from the open. Nice. It's just doing what I don't. I'm looking for shorts. Either here at the 61% retracement or above these relative equal highs, which is the 70% retracement. So we'll see. But yeah, 845. Let's go see 845, 845. Oh, 845. You're long there. Okay, yeah. So I see what happened over here. This fair value gap. You went long over here. That was a bit risky though, because it hadn't broken structure. Over here broke structure, came into this bound price range, which has the wick and the fair value gap combined together. Yeah. Sometimes it's better to take a loss, you know, rather than a a break even, because sometimes you just never let it. How do you say? Go to its full potential. Yeah, I know. I saw higher time frame. We took these. Well, it was not equal lows. I don't know if you're watching it on the micro or whatever, but this took the low. This took both lows. So I mean, it could be misleading. That's why you have to have uh, both charts open, like the Nasdaq, the E-mini, and the micro. Let's see how we're gonna react to this first bearish fair value gap after taking these highs. I think we're gonna go bearish. But let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. I'm gonna wait until it takes these highs first. I'm gonna be very careful today before NFP. Yeah, and by the way, NFP is falling on tomorrow, not Friday. So keep that in mind. The stock market is not, all three are not moving together. So yesterday we had a huge rip on the uh, Dow while the Nasdaq fell. This morning we have a pretty good rip on the Nasdaq while the S&P and the Dow are remaining neutral. Yeah, you see, I want these little highs to get taken, come to the 70%, that's right over here. And then I want to see something around this area to start short. Or maybe even here, above these relative equal highs. Oh, big push, straight to the 70. That should have been my entry, but it's not really creating a pattern that I like, or there's no creating no pattern at all, just a spike with 15 seconds left of the candle. Next week is CPI. I will try a strategy you explained to me. Yeah, I could send it to you, the strategy. I saw it online a long time ago. Yeah, I'll send you the video for sure. Or when the session gets a little bit slower, I'm gonna see if I could go and get it and post it right here directly on the chat. Just looking right now to see what could happen. Because there's these relative equal highs up here too. You see? But I do like how it's reacting right here. Like that. Okay, so we're gonna come take these relative equal highs up here. There's also this last inversion over here. Did you take profits or not? Oh, okay. See, is that a volume imbalance or not? No, no volume imbalance there. So let's bring this back down to here. And just extend these to the right. I think it's gonna start maybe now. I want to see one candle just poke back up and then come back down. Just to take these. It's selling off into the close. Immediate rebalance. Oh yeah, 800. Oof, that's that's a big one. 22,848. Let's see. I hope you get it. Can you hold your trades like for swings or no? On the type of account you have on the broker you have. Because some people, some prop firms don't let you hold the trade overnight. They oblige you to close by 4:59. So I wanted to know if it's the same with the prop firm you're trading with, if they oblige you to close the trade every day. Okay, pretty big push back up. Come on, just take these highs, come back down. Come on. Mm. Little relative equal highs created over here. I like how the S&P is staying low, not pushing as much as the Nasdaq. Okay, now I see it go down. Preferably, I would like it to not hit these equal highs up here. That's my preference. Yeah, I'd like to see it sell off a little bit. Do you hear me well, Roger? Yep, that's what I like to see over here. Okay, good. Perfect. Come on. Hmm. I think I put the stop loss at the right place. I'm thinking now. It's got me thinking. I might just take it off. Let's see. Come on, short. Short this. Short. Okay. Come on, just a little bit more. Nice. Come on. Just a little bit more. I wanted to take it. I think I'm gonna get out right here. Just get me out. Top. Give me a moment. I want to see what it's gonna do. No. Up. One more down tick. One more down tick and I'm out. Get me out. I want to get out. Ah, shit. It's not gonna let me do it. Nope. It's not gonna let me do it. Come on. One more down tick. A little bit more. A little bit more. Lower. Hmm. Yeah, it's gonna take my stop loss. Book. Right there. Okay. Hmm. This is my last position that I'm taking. Mm. Mm. Come on, a little bit lower. I want to see it flip this little fair value gap. And I put a close stop loss. Come on, flip that. No. Okay. Come on. I might even take those highs. I don't know. Ah. Uh, Yeah, it'd be crazy profit right now if you had the first position still on at 845. Crazy profit. Oh, come on. So close. Really? But now, should I really want it anymore? That's the question. Hmm. Yeah, no. This is dead. Crazy. And out. Hmm. That is crazy. You might even get your target. Okay, so that's it for me today. A little 11 points and 11 points. Interesting. Come on. Look, it's still pushing. This is on your, it's not on demo, right? It's on your prop firm, prop firm challenge. Okay. What's the position size you took? 2 minis. That's great. Good job. Very good. Micros. 2 micros at the open is a lot of money now. It's 400 USD. Pretty good. Well, actually, it is a lot. It's a lot for a 9K profit challenge. Very good. You don't see it as a lot, but it is a lot. So, hmm. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. So yeah, you did like 5.55. Well, you didn't do anything yet because you didn't close, but you're up 5.55% of your profit target, which is very good. There it goes. Wow. On the PM session, if it now turns before getting to the objective, I'll add more positions on the PM session. All right. It clearly wants to go get that high over here, these highs. Just hit the top of that 1 hour inversion. Yesterday's 1 hour inversion. Straight through. think you might get your target. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Look at it on the 15-minute. That's crazy. Hmm. One out. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Look at the 5-minute, 90-minute time frame. 38 seconds to the 90-minute. What a push. That's impressive. We're not that far. We're just 50 points away now. $48 points away. It's going. Candle ranges. Mm-hmm. That's impressive. Nice big pushes. Oh, let's see. It's probably gonna come and reach the, yeah, those highs. Well, let's see. I want to see it short. We got to the middle of a 15-minute order block. Mm, no, it's not gonna short. Unless, no, it's gonna go. It's pushing. It's gonna be my target. The 74 is down here. Nope. Okay, it's not gonna do it. That's crazy. Yeah, you would have passed. For sure you would have passed. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on, short. I think you're right. I think it's gonna come and take it. These highs. Right here. Oh shit, I wasn't looking. Come on. A little bit lower. I'm gonna take it out. Just neutralize my losses. Yeah, crazy. But I know it's gonna come and take your target. So that's why I just had to take my order out over here and just neutralize the losses that I got. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Yeah, it was, look, it's what I was telling myself. It got, like, it's very overextended, first of all. Oh, you see this? Your candle range theory says that it should go over here right now. It should come to this low of this candle right here on the 15-minute. Oh no? But when the candle closes within the range of the previous candle, isn't it supposed to mean that it should come get the low of the candle? When it's so bullish, it could take only the low of the last candle and go higher. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Oh, okay, I get what you mean. Only the low of the last candle. So this one. You need to look at the upper time frame direction. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I understand. But you see, that's why I got out over here. Ah, okay. Mm-hmm. That's why I got out. Dum dum dum. It was too close to this objective over here. Wow, wow, wee, wow. If you know exactly the direction, wait, let me just put it down here. I'm fucking looking left and right just to look at the chat here. All right. So, if you know exactly the direction from the higher time frames, you can use this to go up. The most important thing on range theory is the main objective. Okay, and how do you determine the main objective in your way of trading? Look at that. You see that push? Woohoo! Oh, I use different ranges on different time frames. Okay. Well, a lot of them are aligned. Okay. How many do have to be aligned? You're gonna get your target, Roger. I have R1, R2, R3, R4, R5. The R means ranges, right? Okay, I see. So right now on the daily, let's remove all this fuss. So you see, since the low was taken over here and went into this fair value gap, R3, 3 hours, 2 days. Yeah, fair value gap over here. Took the low of the candle. But you know what? I think it's gonna come down over here. So the look on day two. Went into this fair value gap. No, because price is very bullish. Okay. Okay, so how do you determine if you when you enter? How is that determined? It can open below the last candle and go up. So like this on this in this case, right? This went below the last candle over here on the 2 day, and then it went up. Interesting. Who did you learn this from? Okay, so since since this candle's high wasn't taken right here, does it mean like this? So this since this candle's high wasn't taken over here, this 3-hour candle that took it, right, means that once the low was taken, the target was the high. Took it, closed inside. Okay, it has to close inside. I see. Okay, cool. That's a different way of trading, that's for sure. Yes, SMT, yeah. Okay, in that case, let's go down one, down one. Let's go into 3 hours. 3 hours or wait, what the hell were we on the NQ? Okay, so the only one that took it was ES. So let's mark it. Wait, let's mark it out. 9 o'clock. So that was 9 o'clock yesterday. ES 9 o'clock yesterday was this one. Wasn't taken. So the only one that took it was the Nasdaq. Oh, it's going really close. It's going really close. I would have taken it, to be honest, but that's my opinion. It hit the 70% retracement. Let's see what it's gonna do. Might even bounce over here. But yeah, the terminal spot is the high of that 3-hour candle. So let's see if it's gonna get there. It's really close. Inversion. So you trade more Forex or no? There it is. That's the sell that I was looking for. I wanted the 70% of the total range of the move, but look at that. Cross this up here. Right when this black candle, you could have shorted because it did the inversion, cross it right away after taking these highs. Let's see on the 5 minute, sorry. And now there's 2 minutes 35 left. So now, for your case, we don't want to see it go below any bodies close below this inversion over here. We want to use it as support to go higher. Oh yeah, sorry. It's true, you're not seeing. Sorry, I was talking about this over here. That 5 minute. Oh no, sorry, that's 1 minute. 1 minute inversion. We want to see it close. Bodies close above, but wicks did go into this last fair value gap. So yeah, it's nice what it's doing. And over here, it left a relative equal high. The only roadblock is this inverse fair value gap combined with this bearish fair value gap over here. So let's put that in gray. So that's the only resistance you're gonna encounter, unless it uses this as a bearish breaker. But it didn't create a new low, so that's why it's not a, well, it did create, it made a new high, but then created a new low after this dip. So let's see. So there's a lot of things in this area that might not want to let your trade go up higher with a breaker. That's a triple whammy. If it goes through all of this, your target's gonna get hit for sure. There you go. You see? A lot of strength here. All right, ciao, Roger. Have a great day. I hope your trade hits a take profit, and yeah, enjoy your day. See you tomorrow. Peace. So for everybody watching the stream, I'm gonna end it here too. I hope you guys enjoyed what you saw. I had to neutralize my losses because I knew this was gonna come back up. So the first opportunity that presented itself, it was entering this 1045 macro, right? And the only fair value gap that was closest to it for a little retracement was this one. So I use this one as an exit. Well, I got out by hand. I didn't put my order here. And yeah, waiting for these highs to get taken. But what a day on the Nasdaq, crazy push, amazing. On that note, traders, this is Phil Viad Trading Capital Markets. Peace out.